Hey guys, it's Mark from parkflyers.com. So today we're looking at an awesome new product, and that is the QUAKE GROM from Arrma. This is a 1/18 scale four-wheel drive brushed, ready to run truck, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's $189.99. It doesn't break the bank. It's got some really nice features over the original Granite GROM. I like the clipless body system on this a little better. Also, the graphics are beautiful on it, and it has monster truck wheels, a tub chassis design. It comes standard with aluminum differentials front and rear, unlike the Granite GROM. And also it has aluminum hubs on it for the wheels. So there are some upgrades over a standard Granite GROM. We really like it a lot. However, this customer that asked us to do this custom build, he wasn't really too happy with the stock power. So we went with something that didn't break the bank, and that's the Eco Power. It's the brushless motor system. It's 4,600 kV with a 35 amp speed control. The good thing about this is it goes right into the car with no modifications. It was actually made for this car. You could actually reuse the stock pinion, and it runs just fine. You can run it on 2S or 3S. This customer wanted to go with the 3S 1300 battery that gives a lot of power, and he wanted to run it with the Menace, the Proline Menace wheels and tires. They come 4 in a pack for $42.99. It's an M2 compound. They have inner foam, so they really don't expand upon full throttle, and it makes the Quake handle really good if you want to make this into a little road rocket. The item number for this product is PRO1028710. Again, they're $42.99. We have them in stock, and they make this car turn into a little road rocket. Now, there's nothing wrong with the stock tires. They really look nice, and we really like the way they have that scale monster truck look. Also, the suspension we feel was done right from the factory. Doesn't need much modification. Out of the box, this car handles great, and it's beautiful. It also has a wheelie bar, and that's going to come in handy if you're going to run this thing on 3S. The other thing we want to tell you about, since you replaced the motor and speed control, because it's an all-in-one unit from Arrma, you do have to replace the radio. So we ended up putting in the TQI Traxxas radio with TSM, and that's going to keep the car straight at high speeds. Now, I can't tell you how important it is to have a gyro in a small car, especially when you're going speeds above 50 miles an hour. It's extremely important to keep the car stable, and the smaller the car is, the more of an effect TSM has on it. So TSM really does help out. We thought it was a better option to put this radio that had built-in gyro in the receiver. This way you don't have to put a lot of components in the chassis. It just removes a lot of that clutter. In the past, we basically were using, the Spectrum radios and putting a separate gyro, but it's just too many components in there. So you just have one receiver, one speed control mounted side by side, right next to the Eco Power motor, and it really does clean things up. It also runs a lot better than in stock format. It's not expensive to do this upgrade. The Eco Power with the motor and speed control is only $50. And again, you just have to get the radio from Traxxas. That's $100. So for $150, you have a really nice upgrade on this car. It's absolutely beautiful. If you want to, again, you go with the 3S pack from Spectrum. The 1300 fits in this chassis perfectly. You're not going to be able to put anything bigger than that because the chassis is molded, and it actually just makes it's very tight fit. With these tires, again, it's going to be a beautiful speed demon. It's going to run really nice, and four-wheel drifts, high-speed passes. It does everything really well. This is a car that not too many changes have to be made on it to make it run good. This thing runs really good out of the box, and popping in the brushless system really just wakes it up. And we know that our customer is going to really like this. Anyway, thank you so much for joining us on this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.